shoulder.
on curly hair, certain colors are boring. Will look good on more like a straight
calling
hair.
me boring.
I'm talking in general, it will look boring.
But that's what I actually feel.
Yeah.
What do you think? Yeah?
Good. Stop thinking about it. We're gonna start coloring now. Deal. I took the. I'm deciding now. I'm not waiting for your. I'm not waiting for your approval.
No, it's perfect. It will be perfect. Well, as you can see, is this classic with the white hair. I've had this color for a very long time. Little bored, but I don't know what would suit me more. It's very dry, and it has also become a lot of breakage. And I think it's due to because it's dry and also perimenopause. You know, I'm 51 years old. So my hair is like changing, it's not growing as fast. And I really hate that I have to do it. You know, it's a classic, like everybody says in your videos. You do it like every 2-3 weeks and it's like, so because of the breakage, the curls, now I don't have any products. Usually my curls are more defined when I have a product. But back is so short. So it's not curled, it doesn't curl anymore. So I don't know.
When I see your hair texture and how it's short and the way how you're wearing it, I instantly think of more creative colors than just thinking about a low maintenance color. Like I'm looking at you, I'm like, this woman is gonna look really hot with copper.
What?
Take your copper.
Are you kidding me?
Yes.
But you know that I am, do you know like color, season colors? I've made like this color and I don't know what it's called in English.
I don't follow.
But but I'm like a warm autumn. So I don't know. Is copper a good? It will suit me?
I don't follow this kind of seasoning. I follow my eye. I'm looking at you. I'm like, oh, what I see. Nice.
He's
big
suggesting
curls,
copper.
Really rich copper. And the beauty about it, that your gray that you're worrying about it is gonna start looking like the other dimension of the light copper. So because your roots, you're gonna still be doing your roots every 6 to 8 weeks.
Now
the beauty about the copper, that it starts intense, then it softens by the end of the 7-8 week. By the end of 7-8 week, it will go back to something like this, or maybe has a little still more copper to it. But it will feel intense at the very beginning of the coloring, which is the first 2 weeks, because you get to see the copper fresh, and it starts from the roots. By the time it's your second round of coloring, the roots are
so
longer.
I could never imagine that you would say something like that. Josephine, kan du vara med? He's suggesting copper. Can you like focus on mommy? But I mean, it's high. Oh, that's copper?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought like red.
No, copper is different than red. Get closer, Nicole.
I could never imagine. Oh,
see that?
Maybe.
You look instantly hot with this.
But that means that I would have to like maintain it a lot. Doesn't it like destroy my hair?
No. As long as it's depositing color, you're not lifting, you're not bleaching, it's not that bad. And what I like about rich colors, especially the copper and the red and
because
chocolate,
you said immediately
they do have a nice shine to them. So the hair in general will look more healthier than having flat colors.
That is what I'm missing.
So the curly hair usually it doesn't have that shine.
No.
But if you deposit a good rich shiny color, you might feel the power of it. Look at this.
Josephine, what do you think?
Josephine, she's worried about her red strands now. She's look at that in your skin.
What do you think, Josephine?
Look at this. Come, Josephine, come here. Look at mommy. Yeah.
What do you think? Yeah?
Good. She looks good with that color.
Because also I'm tired of this, you know.
Yeah, let's get you something that goes with your personality and go with your style.
Okay, and that's the only color option you think is the best?
I think it's gonna work better than anything else.
Okay.
Now, the beauty about curly hair when it's big like this, you don't see much the roots. So the only part that you see is this part.
That's true.
And this part grows the slowest. So what we can do, because the hair is curly and you want to touch up the roots, if you felt like you want to still touch them up every 5-6 weeks, you could do only the front hairline. The rest is hidden. You don't have much gray on the top. You have barely 20% gray on the top.
Are you kidding?
The gray mainly is this patch.
Oh,
So what you can do, you touch up this patch
Yeah.
every 5-6 weeks, then you refresh the whole color every 2.5 months to 3 months.
Oh,
You let your roots on the top 3 months, no problem.
I would never believe that, but okay. You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. Pretty much.
Okay, well, I think that I'm up to something new, fresh, because I'm quite bored, and I think it's like, I don't know, maybe a little bit older. I think this one, my own now, is a little bit like older.
On curly hair, certain colors are boring. This will look good on more like a little bit straight hair. I'm talking in general, it will look boring.
But that's what I actually feel. I couldn't put my fingers on it, but I think that is what
it either has to go blonder than this.
But look, that's
like the ends are more blonder, where you see more fun in it.
I had that when I was younger.
That's gonna mess up with your texture. But you're still gonna need to do roots touch up.
Yeah.
I'm giving you a solution where you don't mess up with the texture.
Yeah.
It's gonna give you a full change. Feel like the vibe is gonna be a totally different feeling, and the maintenance is very low.
Yeah, because actually when you said that, now I remember, like when I was younger, I had it more blondie here and it was like vibrant, but I was younger, so I'm not looking to go back to that. I would feel more sophisticated with, oh wow.
Look at that.
With that color. Okay, maybe this is like gorgeous.
Let's stop thinking about it. We're gonna start coloring now. Deal. I took the. I'm deciding now. I'm not waiting for your. I'm not waiting for your approval.
No, it's perfect. It will be perfect.
The cut will come back and just clean it a little bit. It's not.
I think it's a little bit.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Get you ready. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, how you feel?
I love it. It was bold. I was scared as hell.
You were really hesitated.
You had to like more or less force. Yeah.
You left it for a week.
Yeah.
We took a video last week, but it was dark, so we didn't capture it properly. But now you came before you travel tomorrow. How you felt about the color and like how it's working with your?
Well, you had to like convince me, and then I got so scared the car way home. But after that instant, like you go like, okay, you just need to adjust. I mean, I can't imagine my hair another color.
Yeah,
it's like so natural, feels so young and vibrant. No, it was like
the right call,
better. Yeah.
Okay.
I couldn't imagine that it would be such a transformation.
I was looking at your video the day you left, and I was comparing before and after. I'm like, oh my gosh, she looks million times better. Million times better.
Yeah.
I'm sure it was a shock for you, but this is normal. When you go with this kind of transformation, it's always a bit of shock.
But it's just that I feel so like alive, and my skin got more alive. So, yeah.
Sorry, poke you in the eye.
I mean, I follow your work, so I knew a lot about it, but I couldn't have imagined this kind of transformation for myself.
Yeah, you're like copper. Are you sure?
I love it.
Can you stand up, please? Okay. Yeah, that looks beautiful. Turn. A little more. Yes. By this time, you should be able to kind of feel more confident.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, I just adore it. It feels like my hair. Strange to say
it, but I love it. Long time ago.
Yeah, I love it. All right,
you look great. Thank you for coming, and you both look beautiful. You and your daughter. So
we'll have to get back soon again.
Anytime.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, I'll give you a hug as well. Thank you. You look great.
Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Merci.